Today I will unbox the Xiaomi Redmi monitor 27-inch. This is the stand, okay, and this is the stand here. I have to say this is a metal body and this is very heavy, like, okay, and this is the adapter. Normal build quality, but more than enough. And this is the cable, HDMI cable. Okay, put that inside. And this is the paper. There is Chinese language, so I can understand. This is our monitor. Good build quality, and this is okay. After installing, I'll be back. And this will install. Done.
Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body like speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Eat to me. Your body.
So I installed the monitor, and this looks good. Also, this is my secondary monitor. I have a Samsung monitor, Samsung 24-inch, and my third monitor is a Samsung LED 19.5-inch. So I will make a review of this monitor and how this will work. So subscribe and stay with me.